A small wick can completely change the direction of the market, but only if you understand it correctly with the right support and resistance. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the wicks rejection strategy, which works with very high aggression and can help you avoid fake breakouts. So let's start the video. Okay, here I am drawing support and resistance because this will help us see that last time there was high buying pressure at this zone. So if the market comes to this zone, I would definitely take a buy trade here. But this time the candle was forming on the downside, and at the same time a shooting star candle also formed, which means the market could go down from here. Thirdly, I noticed that a strong momentum candle was also forming here. So based on these factors, I thought it was better to take a down trade, and our trade turned out to be profitable. Okay, we will understand this even better on a new chart. So let me change the chart here. Okay, so here I have opened the chart of NDJPY OTC, and I can see a downtrend here just like before. Okay, so what we are seeing here is that each next high is forming lower than the previous high, which means the trend here is bearish. So taking a down trade here could be profitable for us, as you can see here. A strong momentum candle has formed here, okay? Before taking the trade, a very long red candle appeared. I took the first confirmation from here, and second, a lower high structure is forming here, which means the market has already made a high before. This green candle the market had already formed earlier. After this, there is a high probability that the market will go down and follow its previous trend, okay? Usually, the market comes down from here, okay? Here, the market went down, then went up a little, then came down again. I expected the same here, and here our trade seems to be profitable, okay? And here you can see even the green candle has a wick on the upper side, which means there is a lot of selling pressure here, okay? We got a confirmation here, and our trade has become profitable, and we have booked a good profit here. So now we will open another chart and take our trade in that, okay? There's no need to rush anything. You need to sit calmly and understand, then first use it on demo, and only after that open a real account, okay? And ahead, we will understand the concept of wicks even better, okay? So let me take you to the GBPAUD OTC chart. So we have opened the chart here, and there is a slight downtrend visible. Previously it was sideways, then the market went up from here and again down, okay? So here we will draw support and resistance, okay? So I'll take a rectangle here. With the rectangle, you'll understand it better. Consider the upper one as resistance and the lower one as support, okay? So I've marked it here. You can see there was a breakout from here. The market went up. Then again, a downtrend from here. And what can we expect here? You can see the red candle is breaking the support and going down, okay? So there is a high probability that the market will come up to test from here, so I can take my buy trade from here, okay? Okay guys, so I'm taking a buy trade here. I've taken a $500 buy trade here, okay? And now let's wait a bit and see what result the market gives us. And guys, if you want to copy my trades, you can join me on Telegram. I've given my Telegram link in the description box. You can go there and message me, okay guys? So a red candle has started forming here. As I said, there is good support here, so definitely the market will come up from here, okay? And in a little while our trade can become profitable here. You just need to calmly understand things, and the more you observe the market and its behavior, the more your accuracy will increase, okay? There's no need to rush anything. So our trade has become profitable here, and we have booked a good profit. If you have any doubts about anything, or if you don't understand something, you can ask me in the comments, okay? So I have opened the EURJPY OTC chart here, and our market is moving sideways here. Here we will use rectangles for support and resistance and see where we can take the next trade, okay? So you can see here, taking a buy trade could be profitable for us because the market has bounced from here the last 3 times. So there is a high probability that the market will bounce again this time. So I will place a buy trade here, okay? After this candle closes, I will place a buy trade here. So let's wait a bit. And I have placed the buy trade here. Okay, and here I have told you that the main reason for taking the trade here is support and resistance, and the trade has also been taken based on the candlestick. This is a candlestick confirmation. You can see a lower wick rejection candle. The shadow below the red candle is longer, which means the sellers pushed the price down, but the buyers managed to close it back up. Sometimes this is also called a hammer type candle or a rejection wick candle. And here we are taking a trade for the short term. Our candles are of 1 minute each and our trade here can be profitable. Let's wait a little and see what the result is here. So a strong green candle is forming here, which means buyers are becoming active and our trade here has also become profitable. We have booked a good amount of profit here. Okay guys, so here I am going to place another trade on this same chart, alright, because I am seeing a good opportunity here. So by applying support and resistance, I will explain one more thing to you. I will take horizontal lines here and we will cover this area with this line. This green candle here has a very long lower wick, which I have covered with support and resistance. Okay, so in this area, the market will go up because a strong green candle has formed here before as well. Alright, so after this candle closes, I will place a buy trade. Okay, so we got a little late here, but that's alright. I'm placing a buy trade here. Okay, so I've placed 2 buy trades and now our market has started to move up. Let's wait a bit and see what the result is here. If you want to understand the concept of VIX even better, you can let me know in the comments. I can make another clear video on this for you. Alright, and the concept of VIX can always give you profit if you understand it well. Alright, so here we can see a green candle forming. So in just a little while, our trade will become profitable here. So let's wait a little, and if you have any doubts, you can feel free to ask in the comments. I will try to answer them. Alright, so our trade here will become profitable within 10 seconds. So here our trade has become profitable, alright, and we have booked a pretty good profit. So now we can take one more trade here. Alright, so first I'll draw support and resistance here, covering the wicks, okay? So from here, I've taken 12 horizontal lines. Let's just use these. Alright. So here you can see that there's a long wick above this red candle, which means the market dropped down sharply from here. So the market could come down from here again, just like before. I'll take a sell trade in this zone, and I've placed a 2-year trade here. Alright, let's wait a little and see what result we get here, and I've already told you which one. Cover the wick. Alright, look at the wicks. See where the market moved from here. That means this red lower wick gave a strong downward push to the market from here, so the market could come down in this zone. There are high chances that the market will go down from here and our trade here will become profitable. Alright, okay guys, so our trade here has become profitable and we've booked a good amount of profit here. This was our last trade for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like the video, and if you're new to the channel, do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.